300 pounds capacity with grip. Textured surface makes the folding step stool safe for everyone, including kids. Disregard Old Product Sticker with 200 pounds limit. This product is now approved for 300 pounds. The anti-skid foot pads feature makes it safety certified and passes ANSI III requirements. The lightweight, but sturdy folding step stool is easy to use because it opens with one flip of the hand. It's a great step up for the kitchen, bathroom, closets, RVs, and all those hard-to-reach areas. The maximum standing height is 9, and it easily folds away for convenient storage. Top reviews from the United States. Safety issue. This product is unsafe because it can collapse inward very easily if you shift positions while standing on it, for instance if you reach for something. I don't think Amazon should carry it. Please don't allow a child to stand on it.